Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Yeti Blue microphone. Probably the best quality you can get in this price range. The thing you notice when you hold this package is that the package is pretty heavy and it's looking very nice. Yeti Blue microphone, it's a professional plug and play USB microphone. In the package you find the 2-meter connection cable, mini USB to USB, the user manual, the warranty, and of course the microphone. The microphone itself, it's in a plastic bag and protected by a thick foam in order to have a safety transportation. Pretty simple and well protected. In the bottom side of the microphone you will find 3 connections. From left to right you can find the mini USB connection that powers up the microphone through the mini USB to USB cable connected to the PC. In the middle, the threaded mic stand mount. On the right side, the 3.5mm jack, the headphone output where you can connect your headset so you can hear yourself while talking, and of course the sound from your PC. The headphone output comes with amplifier, which has a minimum impedance of 16 ohms, power output 130 mW, THD total harmonic distortion 0.009%, frequency response 15 Hz to 22 kHz, signal to noise 100 decibels. I have to mention that this will blow your mind on how clear and loud your headsets will going to run. At least mine does. The microphone feels very well constructed and sturdy. I really like the quality and build of it. In the back side of the microphone you have the multiple pattern selection and microphone gain knobs. Control your microphone's gain sensitivity by turning the knob right to increase the level and left to decrease the level. In the front side of the microphone you have the mute-unmute button that has a status light. When muted, the light will blink. And the headphone volume control. The volume can be easily adjusted by turning the volume knob. This microphone comes with 4 advanced patterns. First, stereo. Uses both the left and the right channels to capture a wide and realistic sound image. Ideal for recording acoustic guitar or choir. Second, omnidirectional. Picks up sound equally from all around the mic. It's best used in situations when you want to capture the ambience of being there, like field recordings or events. Third, cardioid. Perfect for podcasts, game streaming, vocals performances, voiceovers, and instruments. This mode records sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone, delivering rich, full-bodied sound. And the last one, the fourth, bidirectional. Records from both the front and the rear of the microphone. Good for recording a 2-person interview. The patterns can be selected by rotating the pattern selector knob. As for technical specifications, we have power required, power consumption 5 volts, 150 mA. Sample rate 48 kHz. Bit rate 16 bit. Technology 3 blue proprietary 14mm condenser capsules. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Sensitivity 4.5 mV per Pascal. Max SPL sound pressure level 120 decibels. THD, total harmonic distortion 0.5%. Dimensions, the mic with the stand. Length 4.72 inches or 12 centimeters. Width 4.92 inches or 12.5 centimeters. And the height 11.61 inches or 29.5 centimeters. The weight, it's around 3.4 pounds or 1.55 kilograms. So this is it, the Yeti Blue microphone. And as for the review, you actually heard my voice over this microphone, so you have a sample of how it sounds. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you like this video or dislike if you don't. See you on my next video and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you are kept updated each time I will upload a new video. Thanks again and have a good one.